Okay, this time we have a Dell Latitude 7280. This is for keyboard replacement. I'll just have to remove all the screws of the back cover. Okay, so next we will remove the battery. This battery is bloated. Two screws of the battery, and then pull it out. Next is the SSD. And then the flex cable. We all have to remove these screws and this Wi-Fi. I'm still figuring out how to remove this board and the keyboard. This is my first time removing or changing the keyboard for this unit. Speakers, CMOS. So still have a lot of screws. Still not going out. So where could it be? Here on the pan. Is it movable? Okay, we remove the board, and we have a lot of keyboard screw. So no entry at the front. All of the screws are located inside, so this is a good design for Dell, but a very time consuming. Okay, I'll just speed the video when I upload this one. Okay, there's a lot of silver screws under this keyboard. Okay, we just have to lift it up, lift this shield. This is just very sticky, but no screws at the front, so we just have to pull it up. I'm still figuring out how to remove this one. So yeah, it's just glued. Okay, we remove the keyboard. We still have 5 screws protecting it. So we have 5 small screws. Location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need to remove this cover. This is for liquid protection. So we need to remove this and put it on the new keyboard. there's no backlight, so it's just liquid spill protection. Just place it like this and align the keyboard, the new keyboard, like this one, and then insert or attach it with 5 screws. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all we have to do is put it back, then okay, so just put all the screws back, and that's it. The keyboard is already been replaced. So this is the procedure on how to replace this Dell 7280 keyboard and also the battery. Okay, I'll just stop for now, and if you want you can just continue watching the video until I close the cover. Okay, so thank you. I hope you've learned something on this one, and I will earn your subs. Thanks, and bye bye.